Hey everyone, welcome back to Works Garage. On today's video, it will be a small but simple personalization. We will be installing the overlays in the stamped word Frontier on the tailgate. Let's get this started. Today's video is supported by my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Please check out that list, as it will have parts I may have already installed in past videos, and it will have a curated list of other products I recommend. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. So these are the indented stamped letters for the Frontier that I'll be covering it up with these, or inserting it with these. We're going to get this a good clean here with the window cleaner. I got some cheap window cleaner here that I've gotten given to me at car shows. We'll just spray that on here. We'll get that wiped off here. Just again to clean any waxes or any oils from my hands, or from if the dealer waxed the car, which I don't know that they do unless they include one of those packages, you know. Make sure we got it all good. Then we're going to go over it again here with some isopropyl alcohol, just to make sure that we've got it, any waxes removed. Don't be afraid of overdoing it. You just got to make sure it's dry here after we're done. You're going to go in each letter here. Be kind of OCD about it, I recommend. Just make sure you're getting it. Again, it's not going to hurt your paint. And then take a dry part of your rag or a different rag and just kind of go back, making sure it's dry here to the touch, which I can already feel it is. And then we'll take our letters here. Looks like I couldn't find a way to get this to open here, so I'm just going to cut it open. Set it up here in the sun if you have any. Again, make sure it's not a windy day if you're doing this outdoors. We're just gonna push this down like so. Make sure your hands are clean and nice. And then you'll just want to be kind of OCD about it, I recommend at least. So we kind of got it here. Looks like it's got a, doesn't quite overlap it fully. So we're just gonna, for this side and the other side over here, we're just gonna try to make it, eyeball it here to make it match, because it doesn't quite go all the way to the ends. There it is. Just kind of push it down a little bit if you want to. I kind of have a heat gun or a hair dryer here, and put it on warm or hot. Give it a little heat. And then again, you're just going to rinse and repeat all the way down the letters here. I don't know, maybe you were supposed to put this all on here as one piece. I'm not doing it that way. I think you was supposed to just peel off the back side. I'm not doing it that way. I like doing one letter at a time. kind of split the difference again. Kind of watch your paint so you don't overheat it. I think it adds a simple but elegant touch to the truck. I like the way it's black and matches the black up here. I like the way the orange is just subtle. Again, you're not going to see it a lot because it's on an orange truck, but it matches the orange and the Nissan logo, and it really looks good. I don't even think you guys, maybe I have to get way in here for you guys to see the orange around it. But it just matches really well. This is going to wrap today's video up. Please do me a solid, as it helps a small channel like this grow. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the little bell so you get notifications if you enjoy videos like this. And remember, put a little something positive out there and positivity will find you. Peace out.